10 Best ChatGPT Prompts for WordPress Website Load Speed. Improving WordPress website load speed is critical for user experience and SEO. Here are 10 ChatGPT prompts tailored to address queries related to optimizing WordPress website speed. 1. ChatGPT prompt for basic speed insight. How can I check the current load speed of my WordPress website? 2. ChatGPT prompt for image optimization. What are the best practices for compressing and optimizing images on my WordPress site without losing quality? 3. ChatGPT prompt for caching solutions. Which caching plugins do you recommend for improving WordPress site speed? 4. ChatGPT prompt for content delivery network, CDN. How can using a CDN benefit my WordPress website's loading times? 5. ChatGPT prompt for theme optimization. How do I choose or modify a WordPress theme for maximum speed? 6. ChatGPT prompt for Minification Tools. Can you suggest tools or plugins to minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML on my WordPress site? 7. ChatGPT prompt for database cleanup. What's the best way to optimize and clean up my WordPress database for faster performance? 8. ChatGPT prompt for plugin overload. How do I determine if I have unnecessary plugins slowing down my WordPress site? 9. ChatGPT prompt for hosting solutions. How does my web hosting provider impact my WordPress website speed? And what are the top hosting solutions for faster load times? 10. ChatGPT prompt for lazy loading. Can you explain how lazy loading works and how it can improve my website's load speed? Using these ChatGPT prompts, users can leverage ChatGPT to uncover tips, tools, and best practices to enhance the speed and performance of their WordPress websites. Remember, success comes to those who take action. Sign up now by clicking the link in the description below to download 3,000 free ChatGPT prompts and experience the power of ChatGPT prompts for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content.